अवैधरण गौरव अनंतपति शासन धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला वरिष्ठ विष्णुपाद सात्विकर सम्मान भक्ति ज्ञान स्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव जी चरण कमलों में मेरा धन्यवाद प्रणाम। आदि शंकराचार्य जी की वैष्णव संप्रदाय के लोग भी शंकर जी के लिए सम्मान ही करते सम्राट के मान्यता देते हुए सम्मान करते हुए और आदर करते हुए भी श्रीमद् भागवत में स्पष्टीकरण भी किया। वैष्णवानंद यथा संभव निम्नानंद यथा संभव पुराणानंद यथा वैष्णवानंद यथा संभव। जितने वैष्णव सर्वश्रेष्ठ वैष्णव कौन है? शंकर साक्षात साक्षात शंकर जी कलियुग में शंकराचार्य के रूप में और जिन्होंने इस जगत में मायावाद के प्रचार जिनकी मायावाद कहा जाता है अथवा विवर्तवाद भ्रमवाद नाम प्रसिद्ध है। क्या बोला? मायावाद का दूसरा नाम विवर्तवाद। भ्रम क्या है? एक वस्तु दूसरे वस्तु के रूप में जो प्रतीति होता है उसको भ्रम कहा जाता है। अंधकार में चल रहे एक रस्सी पड़ा हुआ और रस्सी को देख करके आपके भ्रम क्या हुआ?
What happened? Just now?
इसके नाम भी कहा जाता है विवर्तवाद और भ्रमवाद भी कहा जाता है।
So the second name was Brahmavad is Vivartavad. So the Vivartavad is the name of Mayavad. So the example given in the Vedas of Vivartavad is non-different from Aditvad. And thinking like that, this is
ब्रह्म में कोई काम नहीं होता है। समझ में आया क्या बोला? ब्रह्म में काम नहीं होता।
There is no doubt in Brahma. Brahma, there is no doubt in Brahma. Where do you get doubt? First you have to understand that. So thinking the thing which is not true and you think that it's true. Yes, I said. So thinking like that there is a snake in the rope. When you are walking on the street on the darkness and you saw something on the road and thinking that this is the snack, and you fear. And when you switch on the light, you thought, oh, it's not the snack, it's the rope. So this is doubt. This is called Brahmbad.
भ्रम किसको होता है?
So who got the Brahm? Who got the doubts?
पहले विचार में विषय होता है भ्रम किसको? बद्ध जीव में
So first we have to think about all these things, that who got the Brahma, who got the doubt.
मुक्त जीव में भ्रम नहीं हो सकता.
The people who are muktas, they don't get the doubts.
That is concern.
First we have to understand this.
ये वस्तु सत्य नहीं है.
The thing which is not true, dharma, pramad, vipralipsa, pramad, vipralipsa, karanapata.
ये महाबद्ध जीव में रहता है.
So the people who are suffering from Maya or Baddha, they have these kinds of,
असत्य मानते हैं, जो असत्य है
they have these qualities. So the person,
सत्य को नहीं मानते.
so the thing which is not true, they think this is true.
सत्य को नहीं मानते.
The thing which is not true, they think this is true. So this is called Brahmavad.
आत्मा मान रहे हैं.
So I'm thinking this, my body is my soul.
और आत्मा नित्य शाश्वत चिर.
So this body is temporary, and the soul is eternal.
ये भ्रम.
This is doubt.
सत्य को नहीं मानते. और इधर सुक्ति पे रजत भ्रम, रजत में सुक्ति भ्रम.
In the rope is snake in the rope. Thinking like this is doubt.
क्या बोलते हैं? सिल्वर. सुक्ति में जो समुद्र के तट पर जो ये मिलता है,
Moti.
हैं?
धातु होता है.
सिर्फ जो मिलता है.
Sheep. Okay, so thinking like that there is a silver, there is like a metal which is called silver, and on sometimes we got a metal on the ocean that is called Rajjo. So that is not the silver, but still we think that it's look like silver, so that's we get a doubt in our mind that it's a silver.
बद्ध जीव में भ्रम होता है. एक भ्रम प्रमाद.
So we got doubt in one and another things,
इसमें इंटॉक्सिकेशन का है.
which is called the intoxication.
इंटॉक्सिकेशन होता है. रूप यौवन भ्रम आदि से हम प्रमाद हो जाते हैं.
So we fall so much ego that if we got too much knowledge or if we got so much scholar, so we think that we got ego in our minds.
मैं विद्वान हूँ, मैं पंडित.
I am the scholar, I am the
मैं
pandit,
विद्वान हूँ, मैं गुणवान
so
हूँ,
I am beautiful, I am handsome,
मैं धनी हूँ.
so I am the rich.
इसमें लोग प्रमाद हो जाते हैं.
So thinking like that, they got so much ego. So this is called the intoxication.
धर्म अधे भक्त हुआ है. और बता दिया. कीर्तन में है ना.
So there is a kirtan which is called that the people who have so much rich, who are so much rich, they think that they got the ego. Like this is called the intoxication of dhana, intoxication of money.
ये बद्ध जीव में.
So this is the symptoms of Baddha Jiva.
भ्रम प्रमाद.
This is called the Brahm Pramad. And what is Vipralipsa?
चीटिंग propensity.
And cheating propensity. Deceive. So giving deceive to the another person. This is the symptoms of Baddha Jiva. Vipralimsa.
विप्रलिप्सा. समझ में आया? विप्रलिप्सा किसी का
So what is Vipralimsa? Vipralimsa. So giving the deceive.
वचना समझ.
Do you know Vanchana? That we should cheat with another person. So the cheating propensity is called Vipralimsa. Saying something back to or lying to another person and giving him deceives. This is called Vipralipsa. So getting the prestige for giving deceit to someone, and whatever we are getting against it, that is called Vipralipsa, and this is just because of cheating propensity. So and Tulsidas is saying, who is Pandit? Who is Pandit? So the people who will speak so much louder, in this Kali Yuga he is called Pandit. So there he will get so much devotee and disciples in this Kali Yuga. The people who will speak more or loud, and the people used to say, oh, he is very Pandit. Even he doesn't know anything about single thing about the scriptures. But he will got so much thousands of thousands followers. Zakir Naik. So you have seen there is a guy whose name is Zakir Naik. So wherever there is a assembly, or so he used to get their followers there, and he arrange everything there, and he speaks too much louder. And there is no scriptures like that. He doesn't know even about he doesn't have knowledge about that. He is Shuttidhar, he is Smar, he remember everything, but he has changed the meaning of that words. But I praise him because memory. He has a great memory. He remembers all the shloks of the Ved Puran. So he explanation all the things incorrectly. Just like the Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya explain all the things of Ved Puran. But how did he explain all the things? It is just like that the sun is covered by the clouds. Sometimes we praise him that he is a very nice scholar, and there is no scriptures like that. He doesn't know even. He is in the Muslim Dar. Still, he know everything about the Muslims, Bibles, Hindus. But what is the explanation? What is the meaning? He has changed the meaning of all the scriptures. He is the scholar. He is a knowledgeable person. So what is this? This all is cheating propensity. Karnapatak. What is Karnapatak? Just like our eyes. So the eyes power become to see, and seeing the power of the eyes is going deteriorated according to the time. This is called the Karnapatavita. So I have seen some figures where the people used to give respect. So there are the acharyas before Prabhupada. They don't have the specs on their eyes. So Bhagwan doesn't have these kinds of faults in their body. Just 4 kinds of Brahma, Prad, Vipulasa, Karnapatita. Bhagwan doesn't have these faults. That's why he is Bhagwan.
इस छाया शक्ति का चित्त जगत के प्रवेश करने के अधिकार नहीं है। इस जड़ जगत की अधिपत्री है। जीव इस माया द्वारा आक्रांत होकर जड़ जगत में मत होकर भगवान की आदेश से ही उन्होंने विचार किया। So the Shankaracharya, ठाकुर जी कहते हैं शंकर का दोष नहीं।
So Shankaracharya did prachar just because it was a wish of Bhagwan that Shankaracharya did prachar. It was a wish of God. Shankaracharya, Shivji himself. So Shankaracharya, the Shivji was saying to his wife Devi Parvati. One day Devi Parvati was asking, so you know that Jeev cannot be Brahma, but why are you explaining all the things mithya, the wrong explanation giving to the people. Jeev cannot be the Bhagwan. He is the part and participle of Bhagwan. Then why are you explaining Jeev like Bhagwan?
तो उस
So
समय
you have did this kind of prachar. Then Shivji was saying, "Hey Devi, it's not my fault. Whatever I'm doing, I'm just following the order of the Bhagwan. He is giving me this kind of order that prachar, you have to prachar mithya."
उच्चते है। ये जो असत शास्त्र जो महाभारत इसमें प्रचंड बुद्ध
So the which is the wrong shastra, Mayavad. So I am just doing prachar of this. I'm following the order of the Bhagwan. So Bhagwan said to me that, oh Shankar, I would like to prachar one kind of dharma, just according because of you. Do one thing, and go to the words and prachar like Aham Brahma Asmi.
हम बोलेंगे कोई सुनेगा, जो शंकराचार्य जो बोलेंगे सब सुनने के तैयार है।
So whatever we say, maybe people doesn't listen, but Shankaracharya would say that all the people will accept it. Shankaracharya is saying himself, Shivji is saying himself. So Bhagwan has given me the order. That's why I'm teaching all over the world. So what is my fault in it? Because the Asur people, the demons was giving was suffering to the Bhagwan. So that's why Bhagwan said, okay, go and be Brahma. So that's why getting this kind of order to Shankar preached all over the world. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur is respecting Shankara, because Shankaracharya is Shankar himself. So whatever the philosophy they have, this is doshiyukta, this is not God, correct, this is with fault. So Mayavadi is aparadhi. So I was reading somewhere, it is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita in Mayavadi. So he is listening the Bhashya. If you get the philosophy of Mayavi in your heart will be like a stone and it will be cultivated. That thinking like that, I am the Brahma. Even the Babaji Sampradaya, so who are saying that I am the Lalita Saki and this Saki and that Saki, they are also, this is also one kind of Mayavad. They all are doshi, they all are apradhi. So we should always pay attention on all these things. I am the Dasi, I am servant of Lalita Devi. So I have to service the Yugal Jodi under the guidance of Lalita Saki. I am the Lalita Saki. It is not right. This is the incorrect philosophy. So you have seen that the Vaishnava who got the name, so they all were mentioned Das and Dasi. I am the servant, I am the Das and Dasi. I am the so Swarup hai, Jiva is Krishna Das. So that's why it is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Jiva is Swarup Krishna Das. I am the God, this is fault, this is aprad, this is an offense. Aham Brahma Asmi, it is an offense. That's why whatever the Shankaracharya preached in the all over the world, what is that inner and the deep philosophy of this? What is the feeling inside? Why did he preach like this? At last he said, Bhaj Govindam, Mood Mate. Hey mood people, hey foolish man, leave everything, just only worship Lord Govinda and only serve Govinda. Bhaj Govindam, Bhaj Mood Mate. There is a beautiful scriptures of Shankaracharya. Every Vaishnava should read that. कौन सी स्क्रिप्चर है, कौन सा ग्रंथ है?
मोह
मोहमुद्गर. There is a ग्रंथ named मोहमुद्गर. गदा,
लाठी
लाठी.
इससे पिटाई होता है.
So there is a ग्रंथ मोहमुद्गर. We should all read. All the Vaishnavas read this
पिटाई करने से
मोहमुद्गर.
मोह छूट जाता है.
Note down मोहमुद्गर.
आज पिटाई करना पड़ता है. जैसे गाय भैंस आदि
Just like the cows and buffaloes,
उसमें लाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
we have to lead them into the bus. So but there are two reasons. What we have to do first, we have to show him the green grass so that we can attract them and they can go inside the bus. And second is we should beat them by the sticks. So these both are the reason. So in this word,
मैं अगर आप नहीं खोले
so people is attracted. The jeev is attracted towards Maya. So that's why we should tell them the beautiful Hari Kathas. If it is not, he is not changing. So then the second thing what we should do, we should beat them.
हैं? जब तक पिटाई नहीं करोगे
Until we will not beat them, he will not be get
तुलसीदास जी
in the touch of Satya. And Tulsidas same in the Ramcharitmanas.
भक्त भी नहीं है. आज सोचिए मैं इसको नहीं कहा.
I'm not saying this
है?
word.
ठीक है ना, ये सब गमार है, मूर्ख है.
Those all are Gamar. Dhol Gamar Shuddh Pashinari. ये सब तारण के अधिकारी.
ये सब तारण के
अधिकारी.
अधिकार. पिटाई करना पड़ता है.
We have to beat him. We have to beat. Stri means.
नहीं कहा जो मूर्ख है.
So here, if he is mentioning the word Stri, ladies, it because in our Shastra nobody criticized in ladies.
भारत माता हम लोग कहते हैं.
We always used to say Bharat Mata. There is no word like any respect for ladies. But great.
हम गीता में जैसे
Some you are dishonoring the ladies. That's just like Suparka. So we have to beat the ladies like and Tadka. Very kamatut, like who are full of lust. We have to cut its nose and ears. This is mentioned in the Ramayana because in the Ramayana,
ये कब से आ रहे हैं? सत्ययुग से भी आ रहे हैं.
so this Maya is not coming in Kali Yuga. It's coming from Kali Satya Yuga. So Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj in the Mayavadi philosophy it's describing there Mayavad ki Jeevani.
उसकी स्त्री काया हूँ, जमापुर के करना थी. और इस प्रकार गुरु और माता पिता आदि के अनुसार भास्करी भी अशुद्ध थे. भगवान वामन देव ने इसका बहुत कर उद्धार किया था. ऐसे वर्णन हो गया.
It is described in the scriptures.
त्रेता युग में
In the Treta Yuga, when Vasishtha Rishi he was Brahmagyani.
उनका साक्ष्य
So there is a proof that he wrote Vasishtha Ramayana too.
उसके पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए.
We shouldn't read that because it is full of Mayavad.
मिलता नहीं है.
It is not available in the market.
परंतु
But
भगवान
we shouldn't read that. But when Lord have mercy upon him, so he became the devotee of Lord.
त्रेता युग में दशानन
In the Treta Yuga, Dashanan,
रावण भी बोलने
Ravan was full of Vedic knowledge, but he was full of Mayavadi. He was full of Mayavadi. He was a great Mayavadi.
महाज्ञानी थे.
He was too much knowledgeable person. He was a scholar. He had everything. He knows everything. He knew everything about the scriptures.
रावण की सब स्थिति संस्कृत कम नहीं है.
So he was a great scholar of Sanskrit. When he used to do study,
स्तुति जब करते
when he used to study of Shankar,
इतने सुंदर से स्वयं शिव जी
Shivji himself appeared before him
नृत्य करना शुरू
and he was dancing before him.
किया. कोई साधारण
Shankar is not ordinary person. Ravan is not ordinary.
एक तो आगे
But he was Mayavadi. He was Mayavadi. He was thinking that I am Bhagwan. The person who is thinking that I am, he is actually Mayavadi.
भगवान से मैं स्वयं भक्त हूँ.
So if somebody is saying that I am Brahma, so he got the abhiman that I am the enjoyer. So I am the enjoyer actually. So this is not the right philosophy. There is only one enjoyer who is Krishna. Eko Brahma Dvitiya Nasti. It means I am only the enjoyer.
मायावादी के मूल
So what is the mool mantra of Mayavadi? Eko Brahma Ditya Nasti Jiva Brahma Napraha. Means that I am the supreme enjoyer. There is only one Brahma which is true. When who is that? What is that Brahma? That I am the Brahma. Everything is false. Everything is illusion. They think himself that we are the I am the Brahma only. And the second one is, and this world is full of illusion. Whatever you are seeing in this world is all false. It's all illusions. There is nothing thing like Jiva. There is nothing is called as like Jiva. So this is the mool mantra of Mayavadi. Eko Brahma Dutiya Nasti. Brahma Satya Jagat Mithya. So this is the mool mantra of Mayavadi. When Shankaracharya left his body, Gurudev used to say, there was some people, some person came to his house. So mother said to Shankaracharya, go and got some brinjal. And what he did, so he brought one brinjal. So her mother said that why did you bring why did you bring only one brinjal? Then her mother twisted her ears and asked, I have one. So he was saying only one, and the mother twisted her ear and said, no, there are many vegans. So he said, no, all the vegans is one. All the brinjals is one. So you have to count. There is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But he was saying, no, everything is one. There is only one vegan. When her mother was saying count, so 1, 2, 3, he was saying only one. Her mother beat. So this is the views of Advaitvadi, that only the Brahma Satta Jagat Mithya. So whatever you are seeing in this world, it's all false or illusion. So there is nothing called thing like Jiva. When Brahma came in this world, when Bhagavan came in this world, he said himself that I am Brahma, and when Maya, he is covered with Maya. But when the curtains of Maya go away, so he merge in the Brahma. Jiva Goswami Pad is saying where this Maya coming from. What is Maya? Shankaracharya is saying Maya is anirvachaniya, means we cannot describe that. There are two kinds of Brahma. One is practical Brahma, and the second is Paramarthik Brahma. One is Vyavaharik Brahma, and second is Paramarthik Brahma.
जैसे जगत की सृष्टि आदि कार्य अथवा ध्वंस आदि करने के लिए वही ब्रह्मा,
for just doing the work of creating and the destroying work, he came in the form of Ram, Krishna, and as why Gita is mentioning Yada Yadai Dharma Se Glanir Bhakti Bharata. So the Ram and Krishna, he is the same Brahm. So when they covered with the Maya and they came into this world, and they did very, very great work, which is Srishti, creating, developing and destroying. When they have completed his work or his duty, so they used to go, so they left this body and then go to Brahma, merge into Brahma, Leena Jata. So they merge into the Brahma after doing his great seva, because they have come from the Brahma and they will enter into the Brahma. So this is the philosophy of Mayavadi. So that's why they are saying two kinds of Brahma, Vyavaharik Brahma and Paramarthik Brahma. So establishing this kinds of dharma, they have taken some philosophical example like Pratibhimbavad, Ghatakash, Prakash, and it is mentioned in the Jaiva Dharma. Everything is there. You should study that. Until we will not read this kinds of philosophy, so what is bhakti we cannot understand.
को स्थापित करने के लिए
So Shankaracharya,
अनेक जो फिलोसफी तत्व को उन्होंने दिखाया।
for establishing his philosophy, Shankaracharya shows many kinds of things. Ghatakash or
घड़ा में
Prakash.
आकाश है,
There is a sky in the jug.
घड़ा नहीं रहे, घड़ा तो यदि फाड़ दिया जाए ना, फोड़ दिया जाए,
There is a sky in the jug. When you broke the jug, so the inside jug and outside sky, inside the sky and outside
तो ब्रह्म बने।
the sky inside the jug and outside there is a sky also. When you will broke the jug or under the sky which was under the jug, it will merge into the outer sky. That's why he covered with the illusion, covered with the Maya and doing his work. This is happening here. Ghatakash or Prakash. Ghatakash and Prakash. And second is Pratibimba. Just like
घड़ा में पानी रखिए,
there is, you should put some water in the jug,
घड़ा में पानी रखे तो क्या दिखाई पड़ेगा? सूर्य की प्रतिबिंब दिखाई पड़ेगा।
and if you put some water in the jug, then
अगर 5 घड़ा
you will see the reflection of the sun. And when you put water in the 5 jugs, so what you will see, so there are five sun,
फोड़ दिया जाए
and when you broke all the jug,
तो प्रतिबिंब दिखाई नहीं पड़ेगा।
so you won't see any kinds of pratibimb reflection there. So what you say that all the Brahma, all the sun has all merged into the Brahma in the sky. So whatever we are seeing, so we are seeing so much body here. These all are the reflection of Brahma. So somebody asked to Shankaracharya that Eka Brahma Ditya Nasti. Then we have seen so many people. We are so many people in the Mata, husband, wife, mother, brother. So how many it is possible? There are 4 or 5 Brahms. So what they used to say, this is all of the reflection. These all are the, you will destroy your body, so that Brahma will merge into the another Brahma. There is a big Brahma and a small Brahma. One guru is used to say to this disciple, Guru, who am I? So you are Brahma. So I am Brahma also. One guru is used to say to his disciple that once his disciple asked to his guru, Gurudev, who is Brahma? So he said that the guru said that you are Brahma, I am Brahma. So the guru said that, please tell me one thing, you are Brahma and I am Brahma too. Then what is the difference between me and you? So the guru said, look, I am the big Brahma, you are the small Brahma. So what is the duty of this small Brahma? To serve big Brahma. And when you will serve the, so when you will serve the big Brahma, then what will happen? Then you will merge into the big Brahma, and then we will become one. So this is called Eko Brahma Ditya Nasti. Okay, so the disciple asked, I am Brahma, you are Brahma, and all the family members all are the Brahma. So why Brahma cries? So the Guru said, this is the Maya, that everybody is crying for another Brahma. Because Brahma is covered with the Maya, he is getting this kind of ego that I am this body. So when this Abhiman or ego will go away, then there is no suffering, no more suffering. So this is called the Brahma Sthiti. So if someone is suffering so much, and he got so much suffering in this life, but he is stable. So this is called the Brahma. So his mind is not bewildered. He will not bewilder. He doesn't have attachment with any kinds of things. He doesn't fear about anything. He doesn't have anger in his mind. So the person who is stable in any kinds of circumstances, this is called the Brahma Sthiti. So when we are walking on, if we are walking on the track of Bhakti Marg, so we have to walk on the Brahma Marg too. So it is Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, it is mentioned. So when you get the realization of your Sarup, Brahma Sarup, when you get the Sarup knowledge, when you get the of Sarup, realization of Sarup, your own Sarup, your own transcendental form, so this is called. So when you enter in the Bhav Dasha, so you will realize all the form of your own Swarup, on your transcendental form. Then after getting this transcendental form, you will serve Bhagavan. So the Katha we were saying about, so Shankaracharya preached all over the world. This is called Mayavad. So Dev is attracted towards Maya. Then Parvati asked, so what is the fruit? So what will Bhagavan get after doing this, preaching like wrong philosophy? Then the Bhagavan, the Shiv died, or they be listening. Then the Jeev is suffering in this world again and again, the birth, the repetition, birth on death. Why we are suffering in this world? Because we have committed so much offenses. That's why we are suffering here. So just because of offenses, we are suffering in this world again and again in the birth of, sometimes in the Swargalok, sometimes in the Narkalok. So for the infinite years, Ananta, we are suffering in this world. Sometimes we used to go Karma Marg, sometimes you used to go Gyan Kand. Karma. In a Prem Bhakti Chandrika, it is all described there. Karma Kand and Gyan Kand is just like poison. It's just like poison. Karma Kand and Gyan Kand is just like poison. We shouldn't go there. So thinking that it is the nectar and Amrit, they used to get it, so they all are foolish. And that's why we are walking on the infinite years on this track. So after while rolling in this repetition, birth and that scenario, so if we get some Swikriti, so we will get Vaishnav Sangha. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, this is all Apavarga. देखो इस मार्ग में आने के लिए, भक्ति मार्ग में आने के लिए एक ही पद क्या है? सत्संग. So if you are entering, what is, if you want to enter in the bhakti path, so there is only one reason, that satsanga. If we will not get the satsang, until we cannot enter into the bhakti marga. So how we can attain the satsang marg, just by the mercy of Krishna, mercy of Bhagavan. ये विचार की विषय देखो, इसलिए जैव धर्म ग्रंथ में वो सन्यासी ठाकुर के बारे में, so it is why in the Jaiva Dharma it is mentioning of the sannyasi Thakur. स्वयं अपने इतिहास को बता रहे हैं. He was saying about his history. He literally became Vaishnav Das. Earlier he was sannyasi, and he was saying, so I was following the philosophy of sannyasi. So I got all the position of I have got all the position of Brahmavadi, Mayavadi philosophy, and I I have learned all the things, all the philosophy of Mayavadi.
यहाँ तक भी सन्यास के ऊपर भी चले गए।
Even he got the more than sannyas position. Even
हंस और
Hansa Paramans, he got the Paramans position, Paramans designation. That I was thinking that I am the Paramans.
और इतने समय देखा क्या एक
And what he thought that there was a Mukta Mahapurush, there was a saint who was dancing.
केवल हमारे आंखों से सामने
He was going before my eyes. He was going somewhere, and he was saying like Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasati Gaur Bhakta
हरे
Krishna Hare Krishna
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जब मेरे आंखों से
when he disappeared from my eyes saying like this, so when I saw him,
हृदय में आने की कैसे
so I got so many kinds of feelings in my heart
मुझे ऐसे लगा कि उनके पास
that I was thinking that I should go with him to
किंतु
him.
अपने श्रेष्ठता के
Was
कारण
thinking I had this ego that I'm the Paramans and I'm the Vidwan. I was thinking like that I am very scholar, I'm very Vidwan, I'm a knowledgeable person. So that's why I didn't chase him, I didn't go to him, and I didn't respect him. When he disappeared from my eyes,
किंतु देखो वही उनके लिए हमारी गाय तड़प रही है।
then I was thinking about him again and again.
दर्शन के लिए मैं सर्वत्र भ्रमण
So just thinking and visiting him or taking his darshan, I was wandering here and then. At last, I went to Navdeep Dham. I came into Navdeep Dham and I was asking here everybody. Then I got your parichay about. Then I got to meet the chance Supreme Das Babaji.
और फिर धीरे-धीरे
And then later on,
संग
I got his association
वास्तव वैष्णव तत्व मायावाद
and I heard about the Vaishnav Tattva Maya Tattva. And then I got the higher position. That's why it is saying,
इस संसार में भ्रमण करते करते
so rolling in this world again and again, getting repetition birth of death is in this world. So if we get some kind of punya phal, so we get the association of sadhus, then the satsang, there's the sang, the company of sadhus can lead to the Bhagwan.
अतः अत्यंत क्षेम पिछामा भवत अनघा खनार्ध भी सत्संग सेवोधीन ना सरकार की सत्संग करे।
If someone get the company of sadhu for a while, so what he will get? He can get the sadhu can lead him to Bhagwan. When Sannyasi Thakur got the darshan of Mahabhagavat, it is not simple. It's just like Sukdev Goswami Pad. He is Uttam Mahabhagavat.
उत्तम महाभागवत तीन प्रकार के
There are three kinds of Uttam Mahabhagavat. Bhagavat.
और एक होता है मूर्छित कथा और निर्धूत कथा। ऐसे से उत्तम महाभागवत
There are many kinds of Uttam Mahabhagavat. If you take the darshan of this kinds of Uttam Mahabhagavat, then what happens? Then your heart will be pure.
जहाँ दर्शन है ऐसे कृष्ण प्रेम कृष्ण नाम कहा के जानिए तुम्हें वैष्णव प्रधान है। महाप्रभु ने 3 साल में 3 वैष्णव के बारे में बताया।
So Mahaprabhu told about 3 Vaishnav in 3 years. That who is Vaishnav?
वैष्णव कैसे समझे?
How we understand that he is Vaishnav?
उन्होंने कहा महाप्रभु ने कहा
When Mahaprabhu said,
ये देखो दो काम करो घर में जाकर।
do one thing when you go to home.
वैष्णव का है वैष्णव सेवन और नाम संकीर्तन दुई करो शीघ्र पावे गोविंद चरण। तो उन्होंने प्रश्न किया है पुलिनवासी लोग प्रश्न किया एक के वैष्णव है चार मुखे सुनी एक कृष्ण नाम आके चलो जानिए जो निरंतर कृष्ण नाम करते तो मध्यम कड़ी के वैष्णव है।
The villagers asked to Mahaprabhu that who is Vaishnav? So Mahaprabhu said that whenever you take the darshan of this kind of sadhu and the Krishna prema manifests into your heart, he is Vaishnav. So these kinds of Uttam Mahabharata, it is very, very rare.
इसलिए हमारे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
That's why Vishwanath Chakripad is saying
हैं? तीन कैटेगरी के वैष्णव
there are
वर्णन
three
करें।
three categories of Vaishnav.
उत्तम भागवत के वर्णन करें।
There are three kinds of symptoms Uttam Bhagavad. One is
भगवत पार्षद
Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta,
साक्षात भगवान के नित्य परिकर
so who are the Nitya Parikar of Bhagavan?
नारद ऋषि।
Whose are that? Narad Rishi.
नारद के दर्शन करने के साथ
When you take the darshan of Narad Rishi, then you will get. And then second one is Sukdev Goswami Pad. He is Nirdudit Kasai.
जब सुखदेव गोस्वामी
When Sukdev Goswami Pad,
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद जब मातृ गर्भ से जन्म लेकर के
when he got the birth from the mother's wombs, when he was walking,
गोस्वामी पाद अपने गुरु के वंदना करें।
and Sud Goswami Pad is praying to his Guru.
पुत्रेति तम करोमि तम सर्वभूत हृदयं मुनि मानतोस्मि। सुत गोस्वामी पाद
Then Sud Goswami Pad,
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद के लिए ये स्तुति कर रहे हैं।
and he is doing a study for Sukdev Goswami Pad.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद जब चले
When Sukdev Goswami Pad was walking, when who was taking darshan of Sukdev Goswami with the trees and the birds, they all get the prema.
जब ऊपर से भी दिखा रहे
Externally, Sukdev Goswami Pad is saying Brahmavadi.
ब्रह्मवादी मायावादी
Externally, he was showing that I am the Brahmavadi and the Mayavadi. But he was doing a leela. But when Sukdev Goswami passed to Parikshit Maharaj, so I was just doing a leela. And he is the Nitya Parikar of Srimati Radharani. He is a Shuk Pakshi of Srimati Radharani. He cannot be covered by the Maya. But still, for giving the lesson for the common people, he is doing this pastime. That's why he was showing. That's why he was showing that there is too much power in Hari Katha. That is somebody is. They were showing that if somebody is hearing the Hari Katha, then still they can attract the heart of any kinds of people like Brahmavadi and Mayavadi. If they listen the Hari Katha, this is the power of Hari Katha. So he was just doing a pastime. He was just doing a leela there. Hey Parikshit Maharaj, I was just Brahmavadi, Dvaitvadi. But when I heard the shloka from the Maya, when I heard the shloka, beautiful shloka from my father, so I left the Brahmavadi. Even the Chatursen, these all are Brahmavadi. But when Brahmaji prayed, just when they get the fragrance of the tulsi which was offered in the lotus feet of Bhagavan, so we have left Mayavad or Brahmavad, and they move towards Bhagavan. That's why they are coming in the we are taking all the things described there. That's why Sukdev Goswami Pad is saying मैं ब्रह्मवादी था निर्दुत Kasai. And who is Murchita Kasai? And again we are taking Narad Rishi. When Narad Rishi was the Dashi Putra. When he was the son of Dasi, he got the mantra from the rich saintly person who came there, and he got the darshan of Bhagwan. There is a Katha Prasang. He was saying his history. When Narad Rishi was describing his life history to Vyasdev, but it is called Narad Vyas Samvad, the conversation of Narad and Vyas. So it is mentioned in the Pratham Skandha of Mahabharata. When Narad Rishi was saying his Jivan history, biography, that how I got the mercy of Sant Mahatma, the sent people, and got the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Then I pray to Bhagwan, and Bhagwan given me a darshan, and it was just like a blink of light in the sky. And I was praying, and I got fainted at times, and I was praying, and I would like to get your darshan. Then there was announcement in the sky, and then Narad, when you give up this body, and when you get your eternal form,
जब आते हैं।
when you come in the when you get the eternal body and you will came into my abode. So that time Narad Rishi was saying, I was thinking,
इसके साथ मिलना नहीं।
so there is I won't meet, I will more, I won't meet to anyone, so I will stay in the
ये भी
I will stay in the forest alone.
obstacle बन जाता है, प्रतिबंधक बन जाता है। नारद ऋषि
Then Narad Rishi was
उसी प्रकार विचार करें,
he thinking like that,
एकांत स्थान में
that I will stay in the lonely place.
महाभारत पर्व में लिखा है।
In the Mahabharata Parva is saying,
वन पर्व में लिखा है।
it is also mentioned in the Ban Parva.
इसलिए नारद जी के मन में यह भावना कि सत्य
Then Narad Rishi got this kinds of feelings.
भगवत दर्शन की
This is called the Sattvic Bhavana.
फिर नारद ऋषि कहने लगे,
Then Narad Rishi said again,
मेरा जब समय आया,
when I got my
मैं
time
ये शरीर को त्याग दिया,
and I gave up this
त्याग दिया,
five kinds of five Panchbhautik Shari and I got my eternal body and I went to Vaikuntha.
इसलिए नारद ऋषि भी कहा जाता है क्या मूर्छित
Kasai. That's why Narad Rishi is used to say Murchita Kasai.
ये सब उत्तम उत्तम महाभागवत,
But these all are Uttam Uttam Mahabhagavad.
महाभागवत के दर्शन से ही आपके हृदय में
If you take the darshan of this kinds of Uttam Mahabhagavad, you will develop the prem in your heart. This is not ordinary things. That's why Avishwar Chakravarti
ये सब दिखा
showed everything.
महाभागवत की जो है विचार कर सकते। चैतन्य महाप्रभु बहुत सरल में बंगला
And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said in a very nice kind of Bangla language, who is doing the chanting, who is chanting the name of Krishna, they are Vaishnav. Who is keep on chanting, who is chanting
दर्शन करने से कृष्ण
who is chanting continuously, they are Madhyam Koti Vaishnav. And who is and taking a darshan of one kind of sadhu, he is the Uttam Koti Vaishnav. The time is over now.
आज शंकराचार्य की जो है
That's why today is the day of Shankaracharya.
आविर्भाव,
This is the appearance day of Adi Shankaracharya. That's why we are paying offering to Shankar. Then we give respect to him, pay respect to him because he has followed the order of Bhagwan and did a very nice service.
जगत में मायावाद को प्रचार नहीं किया,
He doesn't
उन्हें शायद
he didn't preach the Mayavad, but he served the. That's why it is saying Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu.
समुद्र मंथन के समय
When the time of Samudra Manthan, when the jihar was, the poison was coming, everybody gone away. When there was a nectar came out from the ocean, so everybody came, we want. But when the poison came out from the ocean, everybody gone away.
और उस जहर कौन पिया?
And who drunk that poison? Only one and only Shankarji.
शंकर जी सब प्रकार की सेवा,
So Shankarji is serving the Bhagwan in all the way.
भगवान की किसी के लिए
That's why.
बहुत बड़ा कार्य है।
So destroying work is a very hard work. That's why Bhagwan giving this word to Shankarji.
वन से करना इतना सहज होता है,
It's not easy to destroy, but
बड़े-बड़े
still
ईंट पत्थर के तोड़ना पड़ता है।
we have to crack so many kinds of eat and patthar, stones and everything.
ये शंकर के यही कार्य
So this is the work of Shankara.
है। शिव तत्व इसलिए शंकराचार्य
So that's why we are paying respect to and paying offer Dandavat Pranam to Shankaracharya. But at last he said, Bhaj Govindam, Bhaj Mudbate.
उन्होंने अपने हित का भाव भी प्रकाश कर
So he has described the inside feeling of his heart.
गंगा स्तुति किसने लिखा?
He has mentioned the Stuti of Gandhara. Who wrote this?
कितना सुंदर,
How beautiful it is Istavit Stuti. He did the Ganga Stuti.
यहाँ तक ये जगन्नाथ जी की स्तुति जो है,
Even Jagannath Stuti, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
करते-
who used to do
जगन्नाथ जी के
the Jagannath Stuti, Jagannath Ashtakam.
कितना मधुर है।
It's very sweet.
आप पढ़ो तो बस आनंद
If you read that, you will get so much pleasure.
कदाचित कालिंदी कटे,
Kadachit Kalindit Kate.
कालिंदी दिव्य न कटे। वो शंकराचार्य
It is wrought by Shankaracharya.
है, कितना मधुर भाव
How
उसमें
beautiful, the beautiful bhav is there.
ये साधारण नहीं है शंकराचार्य।
It's not ordinary thing. It's Shankar Shankar himself.
अनेक जो है मधुर भाव लिखे।
There are many kinds of Madhur Bhav of Shankaracharya. These are, he has described that
भले वैष्णव
hearted
की
feeling.
जो है, एक ऊपर की होता है और एक अंदर भाव होता है।
Vaishnava, 2 points of external and internal bhav. We have to see this. We have to.
जो समझ नहीं पाते वो बात करते
Who doesn't understand this, so they will commit offense.
उत्तम उत्तम भागवत की वही देख करके
So seeing the external activities of Uttam Bhagavad, you cannot understand.
जैसे अंतर हृदय कैसे
So that's how we can understand the internal feelings of Shankaracharya.
और कैसे थी बताए?
That's why he Jagannath Ashtakam. That's why he wrote so many things. Jagannath Ashtakam.
अनेक स्तुति है।
There are many kinds of Stavatuti. Madhukar Moho.
मोहम्मदगर
Mohammadgar.
पढ़ना।
चरपट पंजरी का
हैं?
चरपट पंजरी का भी कहते हैं।
This is called Chakpat Panjika.
उसको वो शंकराचार्य के
It is the
ये पहले तो नहीं हो, मोह नहीं किया तो कैसे हो?
Madhukar means the stick.
बद्ध जी के मोह रहा।
So what kind of moho what the jeev have? So first is to crack that. So that's why before the sansa, so you should always you should read Narak Parijag Vraja. So then you will come to know that you are the Adi sannyas or not.
हमने जो सुना ना हम संग्रह कर लिया।
When I heard this and I used to when I heard this and so I got this granth and I read it.
अरे जो बात है आपकी इस संसार की प्रति इतने घृणा
So this granth, so if you read that, you will get detachment from this world.
है। नारद परिव्राजक उपनिषद।
Narak Parivrajak Upanishad. Narak Bharat Parivrajak Upanishad. You have to collect that and then you have read that.
आपको
Parivrajak Granth.
कपड़ा से कुछ नहीं होगा। कितने लोग कपड़ा ले लेते कपड़ा फेंक देते।
If you want to get the detachment from this world, then you have to read this granth. Many people has taken saffron cloth, but after that they have collected the white cloth. They have given up this cloth.
कृष्ण रंग
Inside there we don't have Krishna. Actually we have got the red saffron cloth. So what happened with this?
लगाते हैं।
So you have to
हैं?
painted your color
आज मन के
and painted your heart.
विषय के प्रति कैसे नाश।
So you have to be a detachment. You have to be detached from these Vishaya.
कौन सा ग्रंथ? क्या बताया?
Narak Parivrajak Narak Parivrajak Upanishad. Maharaji has this. You should read
मेरे
that.
पास भी है, मेरे पास
I have
बंगला में
also, but I have in Bangla.
आप लोग हिंदी में है ना?
You have in Hindi. This very nice. What you have seen in this word.
वेदांत रूप धारण करते हैं।
So that you will get the detachment in this word.
हैं?
Time is over.
गुरु प्रेमा-
Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.
जय शंकराचार्य की
Jai.
श्री महाराज।
Shiv Maharaj ji, Shiv Ji Maharaj ki jai.
तो मध्यान्ह ज्ञानानंदेन